Home Remedies presents
6 foods that can cleanse your body. Food really is the best medicine. You will be amazed to learn that many of your favorite foods also cleanse the body's detoxification organs like the liver, intestines, kidneys, and skin, preventing harmful toxic buildup. You can detox your body using these simple food and drink options and help get the digestive juices flowing. Let's see some of those. Beets. Beets contain a unique mixture of natural plant compounds that make them superb blood purifiers and liver cleansers. Time to whip up some delicious smoothie and add beets as its main ingredient. Blueberries. Truly one of the most powerful healing foods. Blueberries contain natural aspirin that helps lessen the tissue damaging effects of chronic inflammation while lessening pain. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Celery and celery seeds. Celery seeds contain over 20 anti-inflammatory substances. It is particularly good for detoxifying substances found in cigarette smoke. Celery and celery seeds are excellent blood cleansers and contain many different anti-cancer compounds that help detoxify cancer cells from the body. Garlic. Eat garlic to cleanse harmful bacteria, intestinal parasites, and viruses from your body, especially from the blood and intestines. It also helps cleanse buildup from the arteries and has anti-cancer and antioxidant properties that help detoxify the body of harmful substances. Lemon. Begin your day with a glass of lemon water. A humble glass of lemon water can act as a magic potion, aiding in digestion and detoxification. It pushes the liver to produce bile and help keep the food digest easily. Green tea. Rich in antioxidants, green tea helps in fighting diseases and also helps the liver with digestion. It also deeply hydrates the body, countering the effects of rich foods which tend to deplete the water content in the body. It increases the metabolic rate of the body, consequently burning body fat.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.